Hey guys, how you doing? Ray here again. If you'd like to subscribe, it's Nitro Kyosho. Remember to follow me on Facebook, the community page. Nitro Kyosho, all one word, brings you there. This is a 2003 Dodge Stratus, and this is my daily driver. And I picked this car up, had about 27,000 original miles on it. It was owned by the town of Portland, and I got it for about $4,000. So it was a really good deal for a daily driver. But anyways, to get to the point, I wanted to dress it up a little bit, and I found these rally stripes, and these were on, I got these on Amazon through a company called the Sticker Connection. And as with Amazon, a lot of bad reviews, a lot of good reviews. You get caught up too much in reading all the reviews and you won't buy anything. Okay. So I'm going to talk a little bit about these, gives you my opinion and my review of these, and we'll go from there. So they have these in different colors. I thought black would go good with silver. I think they had some ones in white and pink and green, all different kinds of crazy colors depending on what you want to use, what color your car is. And these come in 4-inch wide, and they come in 7-inch, which are these, and they have 12-inch. Like if you have a bigger car like my Challenger Hellcat, if I was to ever do that, which I'm not gonna, I would use the 12-inch because it's a bigger, wider car and it would look better. But being this is a smaller car, I thought these would look nice. Okay, now let's talk a little bit about the application of these things, and if you want them to come out nice like these did, how to have success doing it. Alright, first thing you want to do is get isopropyl alcohol from like Walmart or CVS, the 70% isopropyl, and you want to wipe down the area you're going to apply these to. The alcohol is going to take any wax off, any dirt, grime, and it doesn't damage paint, for anybody who wants to know. Alcohol does not do any damage to the paint at all. And basically a water bottle after that filled with some hot water, not boiling hot, you know, right out of the tap hot. And if you want, you can kind of measure them to get them pretty close to where they are. I left about 1 inch overhang on the front and on the back there, and then you can simply trim them with a razor blade after along the edge of the actually in the front here I wrapped them underneath about 1/4 inch. And I'm going to show you the material here. Okay, it has a top coat here which you leave on because that's where you're going to squeegee all your water out, and then the back side is where you take it off to apply it to the car. And these are separate pieces, the two ends in this. So basically what you do is you take off the back side here, and the 3 pieces adhere to the front. And then you're going to spray this with some, you know, like I said, mild hot water, and you're going to spray the hood or wherever you're applying these. Okay, and then basically you're going to measure them out and everything, and you with the water under there, guys, you'll be able to slip and slide. You'll be able to pull them back up, put them back down, and get them exactly where you want them. You have to use water. I'm 99% sure that all the bad reviews on Amazon were just people that didn't research or know how to do this and just tried sticking them on and making an absolute mess. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like with the top coat removed, obviously. Alright. The backing is a little bit thicker than the front coat on here. Alright. And you definitely need one of these. Okay. And what you're going to do when you get on here, once it's laid in exactly where you want it, and you're sure that's where you want it, you're going to start squeegeeing from the center out, all the way, both sides, And if you do that right, they'll end up like this. Perfect, with no bubbles and anything in them. Okay, and then afterwards, if you do find any little bubbles, once you take the top coat off, all right, then you're going to use this soft velvety side to push them out. But when you have it like this on the car, guys, and you're pushing all the water out, you'll be able to feel, if you run your hand up and down here and side to side, you'll be able to feel if there's any bubbles in there, okay? And you'll be able to, you know, to get them to come out before you remove the top coat, because you really want to leave the top paper on there until you really squeegeed it out a lot. And then you can remove it. And the other key, guys, is when you're removing that, all right, say you're going to be removing it, you're going to start back here. You don't want to pull that top coat up. You want to pull it right along on as sharp as angle you can, so it's coming back this way. You do not want to pull it up in the air, because you can pull it up or tear it. So you want to pull it slowly and pull it back on a very, very sharp angle, slowly and with patience. Patience is what it's all about to do a job like this, guys. If you try to rush and do it quick, you're going to have a mess. This took about anywhere from 2.5 to 3 hours to do. Okay. And also, once they're down and you get all your bubbles and everything on them, before you even take the top white coat off of there, let it stay on there for about 10 minutes, guys, okay? It isn't going to do any damage or any harm or anything to leave it sitting longer and make sure that it's adhered real nice before you pull it. I didn't have any issues with it pulling up, but like I said, if you pull it along on a sharp angle, all right, you'll have a lot of success. Okay, and once again, these came from the Sticker Connection, and they come in 72-inch lengths. So you know, you basically order what you need. You could order 1, you could order 2, 3. They come wrapped in a tube. They're wrapped all the way up in a tube pretty tight. And basically what I did was, the night before I was going to apply these, you don't want to try applying them when you just pull them out of the tube and they're all wrapped, because they're just going to keep wrapping back up. Basically just take them and lay them out in a spare bedroom, and I just put a book on one end, a book on the other, and then when I came back in the morning to get them, they were laid out perfectly flat. And that will make your life a lot easier, because if you're trying to put this thing on and it keeps curling up, you're going to get frustrated and you're going to end up ripping it. So there you go, guys. That's my little tips for putting these on and having good success. Squeegee, hot water bottle, patience. And if you do it the way I'm telling you, they'll come out nice like this and you'll have success. Whenever you're doing stuff like this, it takes patience, guys, all right? A lot of patience. These aren't jobs you can rush. And like I said, if I didn't mention it before, the reason I didn't put it on the top here was because of the moon roof. And I thought that it might look kind of stupid having the break, you know. And if I put it over the moon roof, I think that would even get more bad compliments. So I left it like this. Hope you like it, guys. And if you want to dress your car up, there you go. Sticker Connection. You can find them on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Hope you have success doing it.